Hi everyone, welcome back to PR Technologies. In today's topic, we are going to learn about the distinct keyword. Suppose if you want unique records from a particular table, then at that time we are going to use the distinct keyword. In simple words, the distinct keyword it is used to remove the duplicate values from a table and it will show only the unique records in the output. Okay, the syntax for the distinct clause is select distinct column 1 comma column 2 from schema name dot table name. Okay, this is the syntax for the distinct clause. Here I have already told you in the last video that to get all the records from a particular table, then the query is select star from person dot person. Here I have taken the table name person dot person. So select the query and execute. Yes, we got the all the records from the table person dot person, right? If we want only the particular columns from the person dot person table, then at that time we need to write the query as select lit title comma suffix. These two are the column names from person dot person. This is the table name. Person is the schema name and person is the table name. Select the query and execute. Yes, here we got a lot of records with duplicate entries, right? Yes. If we want only the unique records, then at that time we need to use the distinct. I have already told that. Yes, if we mention the distinct keyword in the select statement, what happens? Here the query is select distinct title comma suffix from person dot person. Let us run this query. Yes, we got the unique records, right? Okay. Here null. Null is nothing but null values are the values which are missing values, right? We will learn more about the null values in the upcoming videos. Okay. Here the distinct keyword it will not ignore the null values. Okay. Here we got the unique records ms dot null. Here check once how many records we got. 15 records. At the initial, how many records are there? 19,972 records. This is all about the distinct keyword. We will explore more about the select statements in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.